He's a thirsty boy. And a nice little spray, make sure he gets nice and hydrated. Don't know why he's not facing me. Normally he does, and actually drinks. I'll try to get it for you. Nice shot. Funky eyes. Here you go. Dollar. Nice, absolutely loving it. Go on, do what you gotta do. Yes, I'll carry on. There's nothing there. Stop trying to grab enough, that's it. That's what you want, isn't it? Ho 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 ho. Yummy. You wanna drink some? There you go. Tasty. What's that? Oh, alarm. I think I woke up earlier than the alarm did. Dollar. I'm back. Don't worry. Get your drinks. I don't. Yeah. So yummy. We need to sort you out today, don't we? Get that sorted, hopefully. Can't put anything on the walls though. As much as we'd love to. Can't put nothing on the walls. For a whole year. Our new building. New washing. New fridge. Cooker. New everything. What, Houdini a little bit more? Oh yeah, Mr. Houdini. You little escape artist. Looks like you're not escaping today. Which I'm very proud of. Well done. Try to get warmer. Alright, I'll leave you to it.